This is how you can install the Windows 10 operating system on your computer, notebook or laptop in the simple way. It will be fun. Let's start. Installing Windows version 11 or version 10 is similar. Today I will show you how to install this operating system on a fresh, in other words clean computer. Make sure to check the links down below this video. They contain all necessary links to 100% legal and super affordable versions of Windows. Moreover, with help of these links, you can get one of the best laptops for Windows 10 and 11. But there are few things you need taking care of before taking any step further. The first thing you need to is to have at least 30 minutes or more time for installing this operating system. The second thing you must have is the internet connection with a LAN cable. You will need it for downloading the actual files of Windows 10 operating system or Windows 11. The third thing you need is this. It has many names: USB drive, USB key or USB stick. I recommend to get USB stick at least with 32 GB of storage. If you need a reliable, not expensive USB stick, check the links below to get one with international guarantee. Insert the USB into the computer that already has Windows installed. Format the USB stick so that it is cleaned out of any files from manufacturer. Now, open your browser and type in to the search box Windows Media Creation Tool. Download the tool so that you save it, for example, at the desktop. Double-click on the Windows Media Creation Tool and choose the brand new USB stick. This will create files needed for installation of Windows operating system on your new computer. Once it is finished, remove safely the USB stick and insert it into the new computer. Yes, that one on which you want to install the new operating system. Turn on the new computer. As it will boot up, in other words, preparing to start, it will recognize the installation USB stick. It will take some time, so remain patient. Once the first window shows up, click on Install Now. By this moment, reach for your product key. You received it after the purchase of the new Windows 10 or 11. In the description of this video, you will find a link where you can purchase the product key very cheaply and legally. For example, I bought my Windows product key for 12 euros. This is official retailer who is reselling product keys for various programs that was once used, but their owners decided to revoke them so you can buy them for yourself, a new operating system for a small fraction of original price. Type the product key in and then click Next. It will take some time for installation process to process the key, but that's okay. Check the I accept box and then click Next. Today, in this video, we are installing operating system on a brand new computer. So we are choosing the option of Custom Install Windows. Choose the drive where you want to install Windows operating system and click on the New. Then continue by clicking Next. Windows is now installing new files. Depending on the power of your computer, this activity will take approximately 20 minutes. Once this part of installation will end, the computer will restart. When the blue screen shows up, it's up to you to select your region. Then you must select the language layout of your keyboard. Windows offers also option of getting multiple layouts of keyboard, which is fantastic. Plug in the Ethernet LAN cable into your newly installed computer and choose the connection, then click Next. Another waiting comes as computer is setting up things in the background. After this is done, you will be asked to choose how you would like to set up your new operating system. I choose the computer for personal use. Type in the details and your account will be created. Enter the password for the email account you connected to this account and then click Next. Without correct password, you won't go further. Your new operating system will then ask you for creating PIN, also known as Personal Identification Number. In some computers, especially laptops, you can choose the option of using your fingerprint or face detection login instead. In the window of Choose Privacy Settings, you will be asked of selecting your own settings. Microsoft, as a developer of operating system Windows, puts you in the control of your privacy. You can choose whether you want to send the diagnostic data, your location and other details. This is a great thing because by, for example, location information, they can help you recover your lost or even compromised password, or maybe even find your lost or even stolen laptop. Take your time and choose the options according to your personal preferences. Then, when you are ready, click Accept. One of the last things that this installation will ask you is to set up your following experience. Again, you can take as much time as you need. When you are ready, just click on Accept. You can also skip this section. At this point, you can set up connection of your Android phone from your PC. If you don't like it to, don't do it now. Just click No, thanks. For those who would like to connect to the OneDrive, which is a cloud storage product by Microsoft, is following window. Then there are also options for selecting the trial of Microsoft 365 and games. I skipped them both because I bought Microsoft Office Suite via already mentioned shop where I bought Windows product key. It did cost me about 16 euros, which is amazing. If you too want to get yourself cheap Microsoft Office Suite, make sure to click on the links I posted below this video. If you are less experienced with computers, Windows offers an online helper that is called Cortana. I recommend to at least try it out. You can uninstall it later on if you won't need it. And that almost covers all installation process of Windows 10 or Windows 11. Make sure to click on the like button. Even though we are actually living in the future, there are many of you who don't have experience with running or even installing the Windows operating system and computers in general. In this mini-series, I am showing you how you can be a master of your own computer, even though if you might not having any experience with these things at all. I am inviting you also to watch other parts of this mini-series. All you have to do is to subscribe to this channel and click on the notification bell. Thank you for watching and we will see you soon. Ciao!